Honorable members, cost of medical treatment pushes the poor families into financial crisis. In order to protect them from this crisis, world's biggest healthcare scheme, Ayushman Bharat Yojana, has been implemented, providing health protection cover to 50 crore poor people. Under this, so far about 26 lakh poor patients have availed treatment in hospitals. In order to provide medicines at affordable rates, 5,300 Jan Aushadhi Kendras have also been opened. It is our endeavor to provide medicines at affordable rates to people residing in far-flung areas through ELS Jan Aushadhi Kendras. The objective is to set up about 1.5 lakh health and wellness centers in all rural areas by 2022. So far, about 18,000 such centers have already been operationalized. Our countrymen can learn a lot from tribal communities. Our tribal brothers and sisters live in harmony with the environment and nature and maintain a beautiful balance between development and tradition. In New India, every effort will be made to create an inclusive and sensitive system in the interest of tribal communities. Many schemes have been implemented for all-round development of tribal areas. Work is in progress to provide learning to earning facilities to the youth residing in the forest areas. In tribal dominated areas, Eklavya model residential schools are being set up for children. The thrust is non value addition and marketing of forest produce through forest wealth centers. Honorable members, women empowerment is one of the top priorities of my government. Empowerment of women and their effective involvement in society and economy is the touchstone of a developed society. The government thinking promotes not only women's development but also women-led development. According the highest priority to women's security, several effective steps have been initiated with the cooperation of the states. Penalties for crimes against women have been made harsher and the new penal provisions are being strictly enforced. The Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao campaign has brought down female foeticide and improved the sex ratio in many districts of the country. Rural women are the biggest beneficiaries of freedom from smoke through Ujjwala Yojana, vaccination through Mission Indradhanush, and free electricity connections under Saubhagya Yojana. Women are also being given priority in the registration of houses built under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana in the rural areas. Nearly 2 crore new houses will be built. Honorable members, facilities for the women workers in the unorganized sector are also being augmented. Self-employment opportunities are being made available to rural women through Rashtriya Ajivika Mission. Under the Rashtriya Ajivika Mission, loans amounting to more than rupees 2 lakh crores have been disbursed so far to 3 crore women in rural areas. My government is committed to make women and equal stakeholders in the country's development and prosperity. Efforts will be made in collaboration with industry and corporate sector to provide better employment opportunities to women. In addition, in government procurement, priority will be given to those enterprises where women's participation in the workforce is more than the prescribed limit, to secure equal rights for every sister and daughter in the country, eradication of social evils like triple talaq and nikah halala is imperative. I would urge all the members to cooperate in these efforts to make the lives of our sisters and daughters better and dignified. Honorable members, our young generation must have a meaningful participation in the building of New India. In the last 5 years, attempts have been made for developing the skills of the youth, providing them financial support for startups and self-employment, and making available adequate number of seats for higher education. The amount of scholarship has also been increased by 25%. The government has made provision of 10% reservation for youth from economically weaker section of the general category. This will enable them to get more opportunities in employment and education, to enable the youth of all strata of society to fulfill their dreams. Timely provision of financial resources is being emphasized. The impact of Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana has been felt on a big scale. Under this scheme, about 19 crore loans have been disbursed for self-employment. An effort will now be made to cover 30 crore people by expanding this scheme. A facility for entrepreneurs to avail loan up to rupees 50 lakh without any guarantee will also be introduced. Apart from this, new employment opportunities will be guaranteed through appropriate policies in sectors which have the potential to accelerate the economy. Today, India has joined the league of countries with most number of startups in the world. To improve the startup ecosystem, the government is simplifying the rules. This campaign will be further expedited. Our goal to establish 50,000 startups in the country by 2024. Research is being encouraged in higher educational institutions. To further strengthen this effort, it is proposed to establish a National Research Foundation to encourage cooperation among different institutions for higher education.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.